Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear friends, how are you? I hope all of you are in a very good health. So are you ready to learn some household vocabulary? Let's start the video. Our first vocabulary word is mop. 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 The very next household vocabulary word is iron. Iron. It's very common, you know that. इस्त्री को बोलते हैं iron. So the next is chair. Chair. Next is curtains. Curtains. पर्दों को बोलते हैं curtains. Next is door handle. Door handle. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and let me know if you want to ask anything, okay? This is table. This is stairs. Stairs. सीढ़ियों को बोलते हैं stairs. Next is बहुत सारे घरों में आप देखते हो इसको बोलते हैं fireplace. Fireplace. This is called toilet. Toilet. This is called bathtub. 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 This is called sponge. Sponge. This is called iron board. Iron board. It's usually used in the kitchens, and this is called knife. Knife. This is called fridge. Fridge. This is known as bottle opener. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. This is called a rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is known as towel. 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 This is called dish washer. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. This is known as vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. This is called feather duster. Feather duster. This is called bucket. A bucket. 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 This is called cushions. 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 This is known as rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. This is called wallet. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.